Okay guys, good morning. So first of all, today's vlog I want to start or begin from my shirt, or actually this is a sweater, and actually it was cool, it was foggy and still a little bit foggy. Now as you can see the background of my village, right? And right now the sun has come out, so that is why a little bit I am feeling warm. So that is why it's time to take off this sweater. Hey! So now just after keeping my shot here, so now it's time. Actually, if you guys have watched my videos, and I know if some of you guys have watched my previous video, then you guys would know I mostly start my vlog while tying my pets. So now as you can see, and I have took some right now my dad joined them with each other. So right now I'm going to show you a place. This is kind of a place where there are lots of people come to solve their problems such as if you guys have lost your son, or if you fight with each other like a husband wife, and if you have any problem into your home or any kind of problem if you have, then the pandit can fix your problem. Yes, yeah, this is why the place is here, and it has Kali Mandir. And right now let me head to the river to tie my pets. Again I showed you the guy who always make fun of my English. If he sees me while speaking in front of the camera, then it is, I don't know why he always make fun of my English. And now as you can see guys, my pets bother me a lot. Actually I want to take them towards river from this side, but now as you can see they have come here, and that is why especially I sometimes wear the marks, right? And right now as you can see I have took all of my pets to the right track, but earlier as I guys showed you a bit earlier that my pets gone to that place, but right now I have brought all of them to the right track, especially with the help of this stick. And that is why this stick helped me a lot. And just after, actually overall if I take this stick I can take my pets anywhere I want without any hassle. Yes, that is because it is necessary for me. Chalo, chal 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 chal. Okay guys, so finally I have got here to the place where I wanted to come, or where I had to come, right? And now it's time to tie my pets. Just after untying this rope, as you can see some of the ropes into my hand, and right now just after untying I'm going to tie all of my pets one by one. Okay, so let's keep on watching. And just after tying my pets, I don't know what I will come across with, and will try to teach English, right? Whatever I will come across with. So keep on watching. Okay guys, so right now just after tying all of my pets here in the field, right? And now it's time to go home. Actually I sometimes use fillers, and the fillers that is unnecessary to speak while speaking something, right? And that I use is right always, right? Yeah, again I use the word right. This is called the fillers, but I try to avoid speaking. And okay, I'm going to show you the guy, and the man is going to work by riding a cycle. Yes, he is riding to work by a cycle. So now as you can see, and another guy is also coming. Actually there is a river just ahead, just a bit ahead, right? And actually there is a river just in front of me a bit ahead. If I will go, then you will get to see the river. And as some of you guys know, if you have watched my previous video, that there is a river. So just after crossing the river, then they have come, as you can see, and they are going to work. But by the way, here I have a question for you guys. What do you work? If you, and also you tell me if you are a student, then please let me know in the comment saying I am a student. And if you guys do any job these days, then also mention in the comment. I just curious to know about you guys, what kind of audience you all are watching my videos, and how do you go to your work. Like, do you go to work by riding a bicycle, or by walking, or by driving? Please let me know in the comment below. Okay, so right now it's time to go back home, so that is why right now I'm going. And also my uncle, while coming, actually I didn't show you the clip. Actually, uncle, my uncle, the uncle, actually he's kind of an uncle of mine, and the uncle, in front of him I can't speak anything. And while coming, and he was just coming just in front of me, and he says, Nakul, your crop, it's time to work on it. So that is why right now I just want to go to my crop first to see if I will have to work on it. Then tomorrow I will have to come to work on my farm or my crop. Okay, so let me head to my crop and see. Yes, so right now I have come to the place where I wanted to show you guys a bit earlier, right? So now as you can see, this is my corn crop, right? And it's grown, as you can see. And yes, my uncle, he said the right. Actually, as you can see, there are lots of unnecessary plants and unnecessary plants. And by the way, these are unnecessary plants, right? We have planted these corn seeds, right? Or I can say I have planted this plant, right? And right now, as you can see guys, along with this plant here, they are also growing, but these grass are unnecessary for this crop, right? So that is why my uncle asked me to work on it, right? So yes, yesterday I think I may come to the place to work on it, because I have to kill all of these unnecessary plants. And also unnecessary plants, in correct English you also call it weeds, keep in mind. And here I have made the drain. Actually, if I make this drain, then it will be easier to give water or to water in this crop, right? You can see. And another, as you can see a bit ahead. Okay, so let me head to the next one. Oh my god, as you can see guys, I unintentionally step on it, right? So that is why I'm not sure it will grow or not, or maybe it might kill. Is my uncle's and this is mine. And here there are lots of unnecessary plants, and these are called weeds, right? So wow, yes, actually my uncle said the right. And as you can see here, there are too many unnecessary plants here, as you can see. Yes. Okay, so just after showing you to my farm, and it's time to get back home. Right now I just grabbed two of these towel in my shoulder and going to the faucet to have a shower. Hey, what are you doing right now?
I am hunting.
Did you understand what she said? Actually, she said I am throwing our dung away from our house. Okay, so right now I am just unbuttoning my shirt, and just after take off, and just after taking off all of my dress, then I will have a shower with the help of this bucket. And I will also need soap here, as you can see, and this soap will make my body shinier. That is why soap is necessary for our body. Okay guys, so just after having a shower, right now I have come here to have something, and I don't know what my mom is cooking for me. Okay, so let's see. Hey, what are you eating?
Papad.
Papadam. Cheese papad my mom is making here. As you can see, she has made a lot of for me to have with milk and chili. And I think guys, I should stop recording from here, because after a few moments I will have to go to my work. Yes, so that is why from here I would like to stop recording. And here one more thing guys, I would like to say, if you guys haven't watched my previous videos, so please go and watch my previous videos. And in those videos I have shared a lots of English tips to learn English, so please go and watch. And that's all for today, and bye bye.